Okay, I just realized I'm breaking my promise to Amy. She said don't do 4 or more videos, and here I am because of that quick pause. So I'll try to be very quick, and this will be our last example. This example number 2 says using intercepts to sketch the graph of a polynomial function. So we did look at the last one and looked at the y-intercept. So the first piece we have here is minus 6. So we know that the y-intercept is going to be at negative 6. But then if we factor this, then we should be able to find all the x-intercepts and finding the zeros or the x-intercepts. So really it's about what we've learned earlier this chapter is factoring the polynomial. There's the bell, but I'm just going to talk right through this. If you follow all the text, they're going to be going through all the work of factoring this. And once they get it into factored form, I have to go to the next page to get to that. Once they get it all into factored form, here they have x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 3, and then 2x minus 1. Then they find the zeros. When x is minus 1, x equals 1. Is a 0, x equals 2, x equals minus 3, x equals a half, and those are the x-intercepts. So they put the dots where the x-intercepts are, and then they look at the degree of the polynomial and the sign of the leading coefficient to get the general shape of it. So my last piece to you guys is, and it's a lot easier than it looks. Here, I'll even start you off on this one. To do this, check your understanding, and the first piece is really what you want to do is factor it, right? So if you're going to factor this, there's a common value of x, so you're going to take out x, and then you'll get x squared plus x minus 6. And then hopefully you'll be able to get to the stage where it looks something like this. And then you're going to have 3 factors and 3 zeros. So this would be x equals 0. This will produce another 0 where x equals something. And then on your graph, those 3 x values that come out, you're going to have 3 dots, and then you should give a sketch. This is cubic, and it's positive, so it's going to be going up here and down over here, and I'm not sure exactly what the middle is going to look like, but I do know that's going to be one of the dots. So I'll let you finish that, and I look forward to seeing your work. So long and farewell.